Moscow is the capital and most populous city of Russia. It is major political, economic, cultural, and scientific center of Russia. It is the largest city by area in the European continent. Moscow is situated on the Moscow River. For more than 600 years, Moscow also has been the spiritual center of the Russian Orthodox Church. The places to visit in Moscow are just paradise for any history as well as architecture lovers. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Moscow. So please watch this video till the end. Moscow's most recognizable structure is without a doubt the Kremlin, a 15th century fortified complex. The Grand Kremlin Palace, which has over 700 rooms, was once home to the Tsar family and is now the official residence of the President of Russian Federation. The Bolshoi Theater is home to the largest and one of the oldest ballet and opera companies in the world. The Bolshoi Theater was built in 1824 after several older versions burned down. GUM is the largest department store in Russia, situated on a traditional market site on the northeast side of Red Square in Moscow. It was built in the late 80s, located opposite the Kremlin in Red Square. Lenin's tomb, the final resting place of Soviet leader Vladimir Lenin, occupies a central spot in Red Square. His body has been in the tomb since his death in 1924, and although the original plan was for him to be buried after a short period of public display. All of Moscow's main streets start at Red Square, so it's easy to see why this is considered the heart of the city. It was built in 1740 and since then has served as the headquarters of the administration of Moscow. Both the square itself and the Kremlin are recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Moscow Metro is a rapid transit system that serves the city of Moscow. It is one of the busiest and most extensive metro systems in the world. Metro stations are known for its impressive architecture and unique design features. The first line of the Moscow Metro opened in 1935, and the system has been expanding ever since. Located in the impressive Red Square, St. Basil's Cathedral is gorgeous. Its delightful spires appears as if out of a fairy tale. The cathedral is very much a symbol of Russia. It was completed in 1561 and is known for its colorful onion-shaped domes, which are a distinctive feature of Russian architecture. The State Historical Museum is a museum located in Moscow, Russia. It was founded in 1872 and is considered one of the largest museums in the world, with over 4.5 million artifacts in its collection. The museum building is an impressive example of Neo-Russian style architecture and is located on Red Square. The best time to visit Moscow in March and April. The autumn months of September and October is also a good time to visit the city. During these months, the city overflows with visitors from around the globe. Please leave a comment about Moscow and subscribe the channel to stay with us.